Okay, hello everyone. First of all, I would like to congratulate all the students who gave their honest efforts during the last 2 years. And we often hear that teachers always inspire students, right? Which is obviously right. But in few cases, in some of the cases, some students inspires teachers also. So I'll be talking about one such student. So he joined BT in his 8th standard in a foundation basic course, followed by foundation advanced in his 9th standard, foundation advanced plus in his 10th standard, and then obviously the comprehensive course in his 11th and 12th standard. So basically after joining BT, he cleared RMO. He was among top 1% students in NSEP, and we always hear that if there is a plan B, then most of the people eventually will opt for plan B. But this student had only plan A in his mind, and which is obviously JEE, and he did not appear for any other engineering entrance examinations. And which is actually which shows his courage and the attitude with which he approaches targets. So please give a round of applause for this student who scored 95.8% in his boards. Please continue clapping, as the list is endless. Then followed by a sensational performance in JEE Mains with All India rank of 791. Then followed by a 100 percentile in physics and a 100 percentile in mathematics as well. He is one of the few students in all over the India who scored a perfect 100 on 100 performance, a perfect 100 on 100 score in 2 out of 3 of his subjects. And then followed by the last thing. Basically, he is courageous. He is a consistent performer. He is a ideal student that any teacher can ever ask for. And most importantly, he is the combination of hard work, attitude, and the self-belief. So please welcome the JEE Advanced All India rank 477, Anish Das.
तो मैंने ज़्यादा कुछ ऐसे स्पीच नहीं लिखा है। एक बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट एडवाइस है कि तीनों सब्जेक्ट्स ढंग से करने चाहिए। एंड क्योंकि बहुत बार ऐसा लगता है कि एग्ज़ाम के पहले देख लेंगे क्या होगा, वैसा नहीं होता है। तो वही बोलना था कि ऑल द बेस्ट, कर लो।
Well, he is a man of few words, but his action speaks louder than clear, I guess.
Friends, I am extremely proud of Anish. Extremely proud. Yes. And he is also a whiz kid. Can we have a round of applause for that as well?